Hi guys, this is Godfrey, your trusted mentor and the coach for the Candidate Fast Track Coaching Program. I'm just doing this short video just to give you guys some nuggets with relation to the construction environment. So last week we conducted a webinar where we discussed with the attendees how do we actually tackle out all the extra outcomes from the construction point of view. So this is more related to what they call EPCM, which stands for Engineering, Procurement, Construction, and Management. These are type of projects where you are, involved in tenders, you do basic design, procurement, detailed design, manufacturing, installation, and commissioning. And these are projects that include civil works, structural works, mechanical, and electrical works. So when you deal with the outcomes, so I'm going to go up. When you deal with the outcomes on this kind of environment, so there you can see outcome number one, uh, criteria 1.1, where define the engineering problem, investigate the engineering problem, and analyze the problem. So the EPCM activities that you normally get involved here, it's when you identify site designs and construction problems. Okay, that's where you'll pick up, or how do you actually deal with outcome one on this kind of project. So the documents or the evidence documents that you need to look at, it's client brief or client scope of work, because that will give you a detailed of what the project is all about, what the problems are. So you can use that document to actually extract information from the for understanding what the engineering problem is what. Sometimes on this environment you get what you call brown projects and green projects. So a brown project is a project that is existing, maybe there's a refurbishment that needs to be done. Okay, if it's a green project where it's a new project, obviously the scope of work will explain the objective of why this project is being undertaken. So when you look at investigate the problem, and so you look at evidence documents, which are site investigation reports. So they will give you more information on what actually the problem was investigated. You look at site photos, so that you understand the condition of the site and the condition of if there's equipment involved. And then also your field engineering queries. These are the documents that you need to be looking at in order to extract information that you will require. Then when you attend to the analyzing engineering problem, you look at your survey data. So normally the client will, when they give you the client brief, it will have the basic information on this document. Okay, what is the site all about? So you need to understand the survey data, and you get inspection reports that has been done, because normally when the client goes to tender for construction and consulting companies to take on the project, they will have basic information about the project, and this is where you will pick up the information that you need for that project. So you look at your survey data, inspection reports, and your design review notes. Okay, so you are able to pick up how do you actually deal with the outcome number one in relation to construction environment. So I hope this, guys, it gives a bit of clarity, so you know exactly what to look for from which documents. So when you deal with this kind of construction projects that you are doing, and you want to meet the 11 outcomes, this is just a short framework to show you how you can actually start dealing with those outcomes, looking at these different activities. I hope this helps, and I'll be sharing these short videos on a weekly, monthly basis, as whenever I find time to do them. So I hope you enjoy this, and then send me an email if you need more help, you need coaching, you need you know support on how we can actually help you. And if you also drop me an email, I will send you the recorded webinar that we did, the link, so that you can see all the outcomes that we covered with the attendees. So I hope you like this, and then send me a drop in message, contact me on my LinkedIn profile, or drop me an email. Let me quickly write my email here. So my email, if you need more help, okay, my email It's Mongwe at Imeka coaching.co.za. So that's where you can get me. So I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you. Cheers. See you.